Dongguan Membrane Tank Limited, Foundation Industries MFG Limited, located in Building Number 36, Shiyong Private Industrial Zone, Hongli Town, Dongguan City. Convenient transportation, which south is Changping Town Traffic Hub, west near Dongguan Cultural Town Chashang, 2 kilometers away from the entrance of the Eastern Express Channel. Since its establishment in 2013, the company has been continuously researching and developing new product business, continuously improving product quality. We have been in line with the business philosophy of developing the market with good faith, striving for customers with best quality, and serving customers with stable service, or customer-oriented, continuous improvement as principle. Strictly follow the ISO 9001-2015 quality management system implemented to ensure customer satisfaction. The company adheres to the scientific development based on talents, combine the industrial elite, the introduction of advanced production equipment, management method, and business experience, and the company concrete actual combination. Strictly follow the principle of good faith, customer first, quality first, strive for excellence, always strive to be the leader of the industry. 1. The company's production site and living area. It has a million-level dust-free workshop, 6,000 square meters, and has a 3-story building. The living area covers an area of 5,000 square meters and has a 5-story building, which includes dining hall, recreation room, library, and accommodation area. 2. Internal resources. The company has more than 200 contract employees, including more than 60 managerial and technical professionals. Equipment including more than 200 professional types of advanced equipment, 10 professional automation equipment designed and customized by our company according to the product structure. 3. Our company is a comprehensive production enterprise, specializing in the production of thin membrane switch, overlay, membrane circuit. High-end membrane switch maker is our orientation. On the basis of membrane switch, nameplate, and switch keypad, we provide the related mating parts of silicone rubber, PCBA, FPC, FFC, plastic shell and bracket, etc. to provide customers with systematic needs. The company also specialized in the production of large electronic whiteboard induction circuit, and the specification can reach length 2.4 meters with width 1.5 meters, which become an industry irreplaceable high-end professional technology and scale. More than 80% of the company's products export abroad. The annual output value exceeds 60 million. We are sincerely welcome your visiting and hope we have a chance to do business with you.